Hey guys, hope you are having a great day. Here is Fury Muse, and this is the Solana Sniper Club. That's right. We are here making the first video on the channel, and I'm very excited. And I really hope to build an awesome community with all of you, where we can talk about trading, share trading setups, improve all together, and hopefully, I can help some of you on also improving the way you look at trading by becoming more consistent with it, and also managing your emotions better by knowing exactly what to look for in the charts. So today we are going to make some TA on a Bitcoin, but not before I tell you guys that I have been building an automated sniper bot that scans Solana blockchain for small and recent mem tokens. It filters the mem tokens it scans into a list, and the filter depends obviously on specific values like the market cap, the volume, the number of buys, etc., etc. It basically filters the tokens into a final list, and then it will perform OpenAI low close data checks on every of those tokens to see if to calculate moving averages and calculating some indicators to check for the if the bot should buy or not the token. So the bot is under non-stop testing right now. It is working all day long and all day night, all day long and all nights. And I plan on opening a private Telegram channel with alerts from the bot. I will be opening the Sniper Elite role, which will give you access to private section of our Discord server that I will show you in a second, where I will also share more in-depth and critical technical analysis for the BTC and also for Solana, because we are Solana Sniper Club. We also have to keep our eyes on Solana, maybe Ethereum in the future, maybe other altcoins, but for now, let's stick to what we are good at. The Sniper Elite role will give you access to a private section of our Discord server, where I will also share more in-depth and critical technical analysis for BTC and Solana, and also to the private Telegram group that will have the alerts from the bot, which will be able to buy on the Patreon probably next month, after getting some more solid results and data from the bot testing. So I want it to be more solid before I open the package for you guys to pay to have access to the Telegram group. So the Sniper bot, it takes only tokens, mem tokens that have below 50,000 market cap. Look at this. This one was bought yesterday. It went up 300%, 340%. Then we have this one. It was bought around this night. It went up 470%. Of course, the bot automatically takes profit. It scans the orders it takes, and it takes profits around certain levels. And this one, crazy man, 3000%. This is crazy, guys. So it takes, if some of them goes down 70%, the minus 70%, it takes the loss. But the amount of potential from below 50 market cap it has, it pays off the losses. And now I'm going to show you the Telegram, how it is right now that I've been building it. This is how it shows when the bot gets a new confirmation of a token that passes the open OHLCV close data. It will send a message in this Telegram. So this will be the Telegram this will be the private Telegram, by the way. Let me just go over here. This is our Discord channel. It's brand new, and today I posted some technical analysis for Bitcoin, where I said that I was expecting this to happen. Let me show you in a bit. Right here. So I was expecting for this move to happen, I was checking that the RSI was getting too overbought. I was honestly expecting it to come to the 618 Fibonacci levels from the last high to the previous low. That would be better to enter the trade with more confidence, but we didn't get that. Actually, if we go to, this is the Bybit by Bitcoin chart, but if we go to the Bitstamp chart, it actually made a significantly higher high. It was a week, but I'm not sure. Yes, so in the Bitstamp chart, it actually touched the 618, which is the yellow one, and the 65, which is the red one. So I was honestly looking more at the charts of Bybit, and it actually, let me remove this from here because we don't need it anymore. It made a slightly higher high in here, okay. And when I see this, I was thinking, okay, it's slightly higher, but in the RSI it's decently lower. So I open a small trade. When I say a small trade, I open not so heavy trade as I would open if in this chart the price would come in these levels of Fibonacci. So I open a trade that was like in here below the green zone, okay. In the 5 minutes, I think, yeah, it went higher. It surpassed these highs over here. It took some liquidity, some stop losses above these highs, and then it went below this green zone. That's where I opened my trade, and I put the TP around the Fibonacci from the previous low to the high. I placed my first TP around in here, okay. If I can go around here, and yes, I've opened another small buy. I believe it will come lower, but I also believe it's possible that it will breathe a little bit because the RSI is very low in the 15 minutes. As you can see, is highly oversold in the 30 minutes as well, and in 1 hour as well. But you can see in the trade history that I opened the short at around 63 to 14, and the first TP was 61741, and I closed the rest manually at 61036 right here. Right when we had this manipulation, this little manipulation over here, we had bullish divergence in 5 minutes because we have higher highs in the RSI, we have lower low in the price, and this liquidity got taken by this week, and yeah, I open a little bit trades, but it's a trade that if it goes a little bit into profit, I will quickly pull the stop loss to the entry points, and I'm going to explain you why. Because I'm waiting for a bigger correction. Let me pull this clean chart over here. Let me remove this. Okay, so we had this level of liquidity where we had a lot of stop losses below these wicks, and then those lows got taken from this wick down, from this candle down, and it went above this green box with some bullish divergence in here. So we have lower lows. Actually, this is 1 hour. Let me see. Yeah, it was on 2 hours that we have the divergence. In the 3 hours, I'm not sure. I don't think so. In the 4, well, not too convincing, but I managed to got the trade from here until this point over here. So if you do risk management well done, you should have no problem with that. But I'm expecting it to come lower, because if we check the Fibonacci from the last big movements that started in the end of February to the high, we see that we have the 618 Fibonacci level around this order block around here. In 1 hour, it's a pretty nice order block over here. So, and it also has confluence with the Fibonacci from this previous low to this previous high, which coincides in a very beautiful area, if I might say. So ideally I would wait for the price to come more down around these levels and print a more convincing um, bullish divergence, maybe 1 hour. If we could print a bullish diversion in a 4 hour around this zone, it would be awesome, but it would take much more time for the 4 hour diversions to appear. So if 1 hour divergence, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, that would be very good. It doesn't mean that it will not revert from here and just go boom. Nothing is guaranteed. Even though I'm shorting, I think there's much more potential for the upside as we are approaching a critical phase of the bull run. As I told you guys, I'm waiting for the price to come to these lower zones in here and print some bullish divergences in 5 minutes, 15 minutes, where the price is making lower lows in these areas, while the RSI is making higher lows. With that, we can enter a trade and we can take some partial profits if it goes into profit, and then put the stop loss at break even. In that way, we can assure that if the price comes here and goes into profit, but then comes back and makes another lower low, we already took our profits around here and put the stop loss to break even, so we won't lose anything more. And in the possibility it makes a new low, we can also do the same, guys. We keep looking for bullish divergences on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, where the RSI makes higher lows and the price makes lower lows, and we repeat the process. We enter the long trades and repeat the process, guys. One of those maybe will be the long that will take the previous liquidity over here. So if we enter long safely, we manage the risk, we take partial profits, we pull the stop loss to the break even, we are safe, we can keep entering trades, and we don't burn our account. If you guys want to see these setups before they actually happen, as it happened today, just go and join the server. The link is in the description. Follow all the socials that are in the description as well. And guys, see you in the next one. Bye bye.